So hello everyone, my name is Mary and I'm a second speaker. My point for our debate today is healthcare innovation, which is divided in two parts. Number one is diagnostic and treatment. AI systems such as IMD Watson and Google DeepMind are capable of diagnosing disease more accurately and quickly than human doctors. For instance, AI algorithms have surpassed the performance in certain type of cancer for medical image. Second is surgical precision. Robots like Da Vinci surgical systems are performing a great complex surgery with greater precision than human surgeons, reducing recovery time and improving outcome. So for example, IMD Watson is used in oncology to provide a personalized recommendation based on vast database of literal clinical trials and patient data outperforming human doctor in some complex diagnostic trials. Thank you, and let's move on to our third speakers.